this is a question I get asked all the time, and I think I asked you this last time, but it's okay. New people, new crowd.
Totally.
Someone coming into like there's so many people who watch my channel who are in this stage. They hate their job. Maybe they're a plumber, maybe they're in sales, maybe they are a doctor. I don't know. They hate their job and they think cybersecurity looks incredible. What do they need to do like tonight to start taking those steps to become a hacker, for lack of a better term?
So many different ways.
And let's assume they were a nerd in high school and they know what a computer is. Maybe they built one. Maybe they have they have a gaming computer that they built themselves. That's the starting level of knowledge. What do they do? No pressure.
Yeah, man, I feel like this is like the penultimate question. Create a virtual machine and install Ubuntu Linux and create a Try Hack Me account or Hack the Box account, connect to their VPN, and get started on a room or a box or something to hack. Keep Google open because you're going to Google around a lot. And while you're at it, there's one article that I would recommend you read. There is a How to Become a Hacker by Eric S. Raymond. And I think that is a really, really good one for getting your mentality right, for what you're learning, what you're studying, what you're becoming. It's genuinely an article on a blog post called How to Become a Hacker, and it has all the right stuff. That's, I think, what got me off on the right foot.
Oh, fantastic. Austin, remember that. We're going to put that in the show notes. All right.
Yeah.